I say Alkaline look like Alkaline want to take piece of the DJ Mac with him, you know. You see me? Alkaline, if you jump on the DJ Mac with him, you know, big up yourself, you know, cause no for the people must say, oh, Alkaline nah jump on the DJ Mac with him, you know, cause if your body they on it already. So
a few moments later.
yeah, you see there. I say more Alkaline for jump on the DJ Mac with him, brother. And you know, say the whole Alkaline fans them come out, come and tell me say, oh, Alkaline no for jump on that. Alkaline nah jump on that.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
And we have to give thanks, said we, and big up teacher, cause they don't know a teacher make dancehall so big right now, despite what them want to say.
You let me move your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How are the latest news them?
Don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. So people, you know the back and forth thing. You don't know everybody want Alka for go up on the rhythm. You understand? And it's like, I say, alright. But to me, I don't know after a sudden, like, I don't know if the rhythm thing is a hype or what. You understand? Because the rhythm dropped from bowl last year. You see me? But we just play with the brother here say. I will just, you see me, counteract.
I say, I hope say Alkaline come disappoint the fans them and I jump on piece of the DJ Mac with him. And at this messing me I wonder if a real thing I go on.
The youngest and baddest and the smartest and right. Alkaline now when me name.
At this messy Alkaline look like Alkaline want to take piece of the DJ Mac with him, you know. You see me? Alkaline, if you jump on the DJ Mac with him, you know, big up yourself, you know, cause no for the people must say, oh, Alkaline nah jump on the DJ Mac with him, you know, cause if your body they on it already, so Alkaline go stick.
People, you don't know, DJ Mac create Alkaline and thing, you know. You see me? Yeah, him been want to work with Alkaline and thing. So, you don't know, them youth they grew up on Alkaline music. You see me? So, it's like, when Alkaline are deal with it, them man they high school and thing. You see me? Yeah. So, this are the thing now. You don't know, this a Rasta brother. It's a Gaza man, you know. You see me? He's a Gaza man. But let me tell you people. Nothing wrong if Alkaline go up on a rhythm, you know. But here what's the problem? Because Riddim. Here what's the problem now? You remember when the hurricane thing go on? And when Massacre, Movado, all of them artists have come out and they're there with the people and man issue out things, right? So look at now. Them know Alkaline still. Them start call out Alkaline. You know why the reason why them start call out Alkaline? Are because them other artists are in the street. So them expect Alkaline for do what them artists are do. Like, yo, if them artists are do it, him have to come out come do it too. You understand? True certain artists start donate and you don't know the man them in the talk in the game right now. Seeing Massacre, Cartel and Alkaline. Seeing? So them man they are issued gifts and every little thing. So through them not say Alkaline, them start call out Alkaline, yo, him nah do this, him nah rate the people, them all of them look at it. Through them the man they do it. You see if them the man they never did do it, them wouldn't call out Alkaline. Same with the Riddim. If remember, you know, people, the Riddim job from last year, you know. Was anybody coming out and say why Alkaline no jump on the Riddim? No, them never say that. May I tell you when them start say it? When Cartel they start go up on the Riddim and Movado, same thing with the same lining at the hurricane. You see if them man never dip on the Riddim, them would want Alkaline to jump on the Riddim. All they hear them attack. And you don't know them stay already. If Alkaline jump on the Riddim now, oh, I hype him a look. I this him a look. I this him a look. That's my problem. You see me? Because if you now, why you never call out Alkaline for go up on the Riddim when the Riddim just drop? Why you when Cartel and the Movado thing now? Oh, yo, Alkaline on the Riddim. No for you know. If DJ Mac the link you know. No for you want to go up on the Riddim. Actually Riddim hot and the hype around the Riddim right now. You understand? And that's the problem, people.
By himself and don't do that. Alkaline at the end of the day, I'm gonna tell you this, brother. DJ Mac Riddim is a part of dancehall history. No one has done it before. You see me? Point pan a man and show me. No man not do it before. One DJ Mac. You see me? The man do something else when nobody else never do. But 100 man on one Riddim, brother. And it's not by choice neither.
You see me? Just because how bad the rhythm is. So if Alkaline jump on DJ Mac, yeah, that big for dancehall. Mastica, you me attack to. If you jump on DJ Mac rhythm, brother, that big for dancehall. Don't play hide and seek through the war. People must say lose it with the, you see me? That don't really mean much. Past tense, present tense, we are dealing right now. Follow the page.
And that's the problem, you know. You see, most of the time, you see, them only want program if you do certain things. And that me realizing the people. Yeah, man. So, DJ Mac do a rhythm. Them feel like, say, through some artists I go up on the rhythm, the other rest of artists, them obligated for dip on the rhythm. I never know this. I never know, say, through this artist I go up on the rhythm. Brother, enough of them artists I go up on the rhythm, bro. They're doing it because of the hype and them want to highlight back themselves. That's the main purpose, bro. If DJ Mac drops so many rhythms, people. The amount of rhythm DJ Mac drop and never... One to the rest of the rhythm now, me DJ Mac. How many never hear now say your Alkaline for go up on the rhythm? I don't understand that. Through the hype around this now, you're supposed to know Alkaline. The Alkaline not run down hype, bro. You don't know that already. You don't know Alkaline now go up on the rhythm, fam. You see me? But you say, yo, Alkaline for do it for the dancehall. Brother, you follow out in the media every day. You say Alkaline now do nothing for dancehall, all of them look a thing there. Brother, DJ Mac, I do a great job with the rhythm. Him allow artists them to fall upon the rhythm. The other rest of artists them I do them thing. You see me? Them see the rhythm and them like it. If them want, them make them own decision for go upon the rhythm. You understand? Not because you see this artist and this artist are upon it. Means that this man have to come forward and go up. And that's how it work, bro. You understand? Because at the end of the day, this rhythm put out from last year and it start to pick up the hotness. You understand? The hotness train now. So we see a bag of artists, some of the elder them a go up on the thing. Everybody a call out. You know, them a call out Massacre, them a call out Alkaline. Like say, the artists them obligated to go up on any rhythm. With them depend on whatever go on now. You understand? The artists them make them decision. If Cartel want go up on it, Cartel go up on it. If whosoever want go up on the rhythm, I feed them decision that. You see me? Alkaline have an album a forward. That the artists are promote, that the artists are work on. You see me? Yeah. And everything what go on at the space, Alkaline have a really meds like that. And this my main problem is with this rhythm is that the rhythm is out from last year and nobody never call for Alka to go up on the rhythm. But soon as Cartels go up on the rhythm, everybody attack, yo, this man have to dip on the rhythm. For dip on the rhythm. Them always do this. Same like with the Hurricane Melissa. Cartel forward out, Massacre forward out, this forward out. Seeing? Yo, Alkaline need for show. Alkaline need to do this. Through them the man. If them the man they never did that do it, they wouldn't call out Alkaline. You understand? You know why they wouldn't call out Alkaline? It's because if them not do it and them a call out Alkaline, to look away if you see them a call out Alkaline and not call out for them artists or them the man there. You understand? So true now, a little wave I go around the rhythm and the artist say, alright, yo, I go and do a thing and jump on the rhythm and do what you do. You understand? Artists are do what them for do to get them highlight and whatever promotion and do what them have to do. See? The rhythm hot, it get a moment. And everybody I go jump on the rhythm. About 1,000 artists depend that the rhythm they are ready, brother. You see me? 1,000 artists. You see it? I don't know how comes after a sudden everybody, yo, Alkaline want to jump on the rhythm. Yo, this on the rhythm. And that's the problem. You see, if people, you see, if I did from the get-go as a rhythm drop, yeah, that'd be a different thing. See? But as soon as Cartel go up on the rhythm, them a call for Alkaline. Them always do this. Them always, same with Hurricane Melissa. Them always do this. You see me? Always do this. And then now, when the artists do something, them say the artists are follow, the artists are do this, artists are do that. You see me? Alkaline are do him thing. Who want go up on the rhythm, go up on the rhythm, bro.
Put an artist over the music, you see me? Say, we say want an artist sing a song on the rhythm, that means we feel like him got it like that, you see me? That's why I say Massacre, if you sing a song right now, on the rhythm, the people them forgot say where you going with you, because them know say you got it like that. The reason why I want Alkaline jump on the rhythm, because what going right now in the dancehall, it a got art for replicate. You see me? Because most of the producer them art not clean like that. So in order for this replicate again, it a go very hard because your art have clean and most of the art not clean though. In other words, DJ Mac big up your damn self youth. They do what most of them can do, but enough get a youth and say go on a youth, see the rhythm there.
But, well, John, bro, at the end of the day, brother, yeah, the rhythm good for the artist them. But bro, right now, who really have the fan base and who in the hype right now? People are gonna really talk about with the rhythm and you understand the little clout and everything we are going right now, bro. You see me? I understand nothing wrong if the artist them what did there. When nothing not going for them and them can jump on the rhythm and make a, you know, make a good song of it. Fine. You see me? It's an opportunity. Same way. You see me? But and don't expect on everybody go want jump on the rhythm because certain people they on the rhythm. You understand? Who want go on the rhythm, just go on the rhythm, bro. You see it? I just saw me see it. But people, him forward out after this in a car. I don't know what go happen and if vendetta people make him know say yo, artist not deal with that. So him forward out back you know, you see me? Hear what I say?
Yeah, you see there. I say more Alkaline for jump on the DJ Mac Riddim, brother. And you know say the whole Alkaline fans them come out, come and tell me say, oh, Alkaline no for jump on that. Alkaline nah jump on that. Alkaline nah do that. Alkaline nah this, brother. And the music who no love. And the music who no love, brother. A man who no love. A man who no love. I come to the conclusion, brother. Who know some follow back a man who love man. Where do anything where man want. Who no for do. Anything man say him a go do or that. Who no a go do. None of them have a mind for no own. Right? It makes no sense to me. Because for the culture, for the music, for dancehall. Why not? Why not? Makes no sense to me. You feel me? The biggest time in a dancehall right now. Because you can't tell me another time in a dancehall where man from Europe, Asia, Australia, all over the place, Africa, America, everywhere you can name. Man a jump on one rhythm. We make a Jamaica for one producer. I don't see it, brother.
It's so funny a Gaza man attack so you know. But you must say a thing still, but at the end of the day everybody knows Alkaline and I go on the rhythm. You see me? Yeah. Everybody know that. But the reason why the vendetta people and beat the way we usually talk about then about Alkaline. You see me? And the thing is that yeah is a Gaza man and Cartel are your artist. First of all, a true Cartel the pan rhythm make you even not talk about Alkaline for go on the rhythm. That's the fact, bro. You understand? That's why you fall not talk about Alkaline. Because none of them want to see like how Cartel the pan rhythm, them want Alkaline for go on if you see if him go take it or what. You understand? Or that, bro. If Cartel them never go on the rhythm, brother, none of them wouldn't come out. You notice before Cartel go on the rhythm, nobody never that talk about Alkaline for go on the rhythm. You don't realize? As Cartel go on the rhythm now, yo, Alkaline we don't want to go on the rhythm now, no. Yo, this, that, rare. All of them little thing there. Yeah, brother. So, not because a man go on the rhythm and next man for go on the rhythm, bro. It's so much as Cartel I do what him a do. You see it? Nah, nothing to do with Alkaline. You say if you did a call out Alkaline from the rhythm just drop, yeah, me coulda understand, but after when Cartel drop rhythm now, not talk, bro. You see me? And then bet say you that use that and say, see there? I true Cartel go on the rhythm, make him go on the rhythm to him a try go come back. Bro, come on, we don't want to stay already, dog.
I can't remember the time when it was this big. It was never this big at no point in time. You feel me? And we have to give thanks anyway and big up teacher because they don't know a teacher make dancehall so big right now. Despite what them want to say. You see me? The man I give you music like every week. I'm not talking about one song neither. You see me? So, big up teacher said we. But why not? We're looking forward to see you on the rhythm.
So, basically, the brother you asked Ayaktian, we might look forward to see on the rhythm. Because Ayaktian go on the rhythm, you know. You understand? Ayaktian go on the rhythm. But we know, people, to be honest, nothing no wrong, you know. I don't have no problem with the artists, them. I do them thing and, you know. But, you know what? My problem is, seeing, nothing wrong if artists them go on the rhythm or nothing. Seeing, fine. If you want to see a wave and you can go on the wave and do nothing, fine. But here's my problem. When DJ Matt just dropped this rhythm, right? And with that talk about the skip up on the rhythm, right? None of them artists never talk about the rhythm, you know. None of them artists never say, yo, rhythm, this, that, Ray. No, nobody, when DJ Matt just dropped that rhythm, yeah, nobody never did a hurry, if you go ready and jump on it. Because you know, say artists watch artists in a dancehall. So everybody has say what I want. And I'm saying, alright. Artists I want to use them talent and thing. Which, what I want right now, I'm glad it happen. Because look, you know, I'm glad say the focus is on music. I don't like when the thing, because I dance all where I do it. I don't like when the message, like I depend on some different type of topic when I really have nothing to do with dancehall. You understand? Or where can't uplift dancehall. So you see this way I go on right now with the rhythm, I rate it. It's a good energy, yeah, and it push the music. music we are focused on. You see me? Because that alone can really move dancehall the way. The music. Because it are going at the people in the ears overseas, and then when them listen to the music and love the music, and when an artist say, yo, them gonna have a show, the music where the artists where them know and where them listen, them gonna come there to see the artist perform that same music. You understand? So it's a good look. But none of them DJ, them wouldn't honestly go up on the rhythm if the rhythm wasn't hot or the talk about thing. You understand? That's what me I said. The rhythm, remember rhythm there from last year, no people. The rhythm there from last year. But true, certain artists I watch certain artists if you watch who are going to go up on the rhythm. And once the artists they go up on the rhythm and the hype start kicking, they are ready. Ready for go up on it. So basically another interview you know. The brother asks I acting who him want up on the rhythm. But here him I say.
Like, haven't heard yet. Well, it's a bit good for serious artists and voice on it, because, you know, Massacre and voice on it yet. It's good to see Massacre, Popcorn and Alkaline on it.
Alright, people. You see what me I try to tell you? Yo, dog, we tell you. See what me I talk about? A while ago, him call out, him would have want to see 3 other artists. Because I remember him dey on the rhythm, you know. You see me? Him dey on the rhythm. And at the end of the day, him call out Alkaline, Massacre and Popcorn. Them they are the 3 man them where we can say, yo, Ray, up level at the thing. You see me? So, that's the problem. There are a lot of artists out there. You see it, but you don't know them are go call out the artists them with the hype. Right now. You see it. But as me say, nothing wrong if the artists them go up on the rhythm. But me just don't like the hypocrite, because the rhythm was there all long and nobody was asking for the artists them to go up on the rhythm. Is when the rhythm hot that a woman are like. You see me? So if there are artists and artists are go up on the rhythm for the hype, that's what I tell you, this is all about the hype thing. You see me? The wave. You see it? But I saw it go. Cause not everybody I go up on the boat. You see me? Yeah, the rhythm can go on. Who want to go up on it. It's a feed them choice. You see me? But not because a next artist. Yeah, people that love to see that, but we don't want them type of calling out, they don't make no sense. If I did the calling out from the get-go, then we could understand, because the rhythm was there. If the rhythm never get hot, right, nobody would want to go up on the rhythm. And that's a problem. You understand? That's the problem. Because so many rhythm drop. And we never see nobody go on so. You see me? A bag of people and, you know, Mark drop a lot of rhythm. But not everybody are going to ride the wave still. You see it? Yeah. But people, when you don't know things yet, you know, I want media facts. You see me? And if the artist want to go on with him, any artist, I feed them this and that. You see me? But me just feel like, say, I show a man go up on with him, make them a call out the next man for go up on with him. Them now call out the artist naturally, like, say, yo, when you read him dead, when you read him drop. You understand? And I like say you read him drop and it bad. Mean like when it drop and it bad, and people out there blue say, yo, Alkaline with a one on the rhythm. Would understand with that. But not because a next man do it, we don't feel like say a next man figure do it. I'm not call him out. When you read him them drop, call out the artists them from them time, them man. Why I know when they look a wave thing and certain artists go on it, where in the talk about, where in the same little fan base thing where you know, we don't know what I mean, people. Why are them time don't want to call out the artist? One never call out the artist from the get go. Brother, I saw you thing on everybody want to ride no wave and all of them look at thing there. Is it? Yeah. I saw you thing say. But people, big up on yourself and don't know, you know. One media facts. That is it.